Oyo ni thukuru wa nyanake wa Friends Kamusinga uri uri gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kimilili kaunti-ini ya Bungoma. Thukuru uria uikaine niundu wa maumirira mega igeranio-ini cia kibururi no kwa ihinda riri ngumo ya thukuru uyu ni ambatirite kuona Murutani munene ndungimukurana na arutwo ni uria ehumbite. Maina Kariuki ni mugeni thukuru-ini uyu na akoretwo akihumba nguo ihuanaine na iria cia arutwo a thukuru uyu. Kuria hihi niki giacungereirie Kariuki gwikiraga nguo ici.
Is to identify myself with the students. I would want to get to their level and be able to be reachable in case they have a need. Just create excitement among us, my peers. To me, once again, I also see students as my peers because I've said I'm student number 1.
Undu uria arauga wakegiria Arutani undu umwe na arutwo muthenya wake wa mbere kwihumba uguo.
And they were very excited and overjoyed seeing their principal in the school uniform. And it took us a little bit of time to settle down for the assembly. Kumana
na uthaka wa Maina ehumbite nguo ici, Arutani thukuru-ini uyu ni moereirie undu uyu na kinyi kuria ono maretha mafundi niguo kumatumira nguo.
They also desire to put on uniform. I know there are few teachers who have asked me, mwarimu, why can't you sign for me one uniform?
Kwihumba ta arutwo ni guteithireirie Maina gukorwo kiingirana wega na arutwo na kumuhotithia kumenya mathina mao na ihenya.
Otherwise, as a class, how do you perform?
Na hihi arutwo na aria angi thukuru-ini uyu moyagirira kwihumba kwa Murutani wao atia.
They were really surprised. Most of them made fun of the situation, but it was some sort of a comic sight for them.
It looked funny, of course. Then it came to me that he's actually trying to endear himself to the students so that they can know that he's part of the community.
Maina ni orete Arutani thukuru-ini ingi kuhimbiria undu uyu kuona ono ri undu wa kwirorerwo ni uraguna hari uiguano wa arutwo na Arutani.
They can try it just to be able to once again demystify the rank of a principal. And that to me will go a long way in creating a very easy link between the principals and the students.
Undu uyu ni utumite ona mitugo ya arutwo ikorwo igicenjia gukira uria yakoragwo hau kabere.
Okay.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjogu gwa Wachira.